thought I'd put up a video of this little hoop style greenhouse that I made out of cattle panels. The inspiration for this greenhouse was actually from Texas Pepper 2. I'd seen him make one a few years ago. I was really impressed with it, so I thought I would give it a go. It's not that big of a deal to build. I think he might even have some kind of plans that you can download or something. But I just watched a few videos myself and just figured out how I wanted to do it for me. In his original build, he used 2x4s all the way around it, but since I'm over 6 foot tall, I thought I'd go ahead and use 2x6s on the side, and I stapled the cattle panels to the very top of the 2x6s so that it would give it even a few more inches of height. And doing it that way, plenty of headroom. Don't have to worry about that. On the front door, I did use a foundation vent. It's one of those vents that you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot or anywhere. It's just the plastic ones that opens. I put it down at the bottom, hoping that maybe it would draw when the back window's open to have a little bit more airflow when, you know, it's heat of the summer. I was originally going to hook solar to it, but I hadn't figured out how I'm going to hook the solar yet, with it being a hoop style house. I guess I can mount it somewhere on the side, but this vent, you just slide it open and shut when you want it, you know, to open and close. The inside, I put landscape fabric down for the floor right now, and like I said, plenty of head space. And this back window, I just built it so that it just opens up. Right now it seems to have, as long as I've got the vent in the front door and this back window open, it seems to have plenty of airflow. This fall, after the grass has died down, I'm going to use this side over here, and I'm going to plant cold weather greens. Maybe some lettuce, kale, and a few other things on this side. Then on the other side, I'm going to use to try to overwinter some of the plants that I typically put out on the patio. And I just built this shelf here. I went on ahead and used some hardware cloth that I had left over from the chicken tractor that I built. That way, any of the dirt or any water or anything like that can just run right down through it. But I would say I've got somewhere in the neighborhood of $150 in the whole thing. And that includes ordering the plastic off of eBay. It's supposed to have like a 4-year warranty with the plastic. But I thought maybe somebody might get some ideals and want to build them one. I'm also planning on hanging me a few solar lights out here. Just hadn't made it to Home Depot yet. It's not too bad to build. I think it took me about 2 days. If I'd add all the time up that I spent on it, it's been a few more days than that, but it was just working in the afternoon when I got home from work. But if you're thinking about building you some kind of little greenhouse that you want something that's inexpensive, not complicated to build, the door and the window I just built myself. They're just out of 2x2s. And then I run the strips around to hold the plastic. And so it's no big deal. It's easy to build. But maybe that'll help give somebody else some ideas if they're wanting one. I know I sure did appreciate seeing the videos on YouTube, so that it helped inspire me to build one for myself. Talk to you later.